Planning a trip and need a rental car? Auto Europe claims to offer the best deals. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about AutoEurope.com, from how it works to the hidden fine print so you can decide if it's the right choice for your travels. Stick around for the full review. Auto Europe is a well-known online car rental booking platform that aggregates options from various providers to help travelers find the best deals. The website boasts a user-friendly interface with a straightforward search function where you can input your pickup location, dates, and times to compare available vehicles. One of the standout features is the wide range of rental companies Auto Europe partners with, including major brands like Hertz, Avis, and Europcar, giving users plenty of choices. The site also highlights special offers and discounts, which can be appealing for budget-conscious travelers. One positive aspect is the transparent pricing. Auto Europe displays the total cost up front, including taxes and fees, so there are fewer surprises at the counter. Additionally, they offer a lowest price guarantee, claiming they'll match or beat any lower price found elsewhere, which adds value for customers. Another plus is the 24/7 customer support, ensuring help is available if issues arise during your rental. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. While Auto Europe simplifies comparison shopping, the final rental agreement is still with the third-party provider, meaning any problems during the rental process must be resolved directly with the car rental company, not Auto Europe. Some users have reported that the lowest price guarantee can be tricky to claim due to specific terms and conditions. Another potential downside is that cancellation policies vary depending on the rental company, so it's crucial to read the fine print before booking. Overall, AutoEurope.com is a solid tool for finding competitive car rental rates, especially for international travel, but it's essential to manage expectations and understand that the service is primarily a booking platform, not the actual rental provider. Thanks for watching. Auto Europe can be a great tool for scoring rental car deals, but like any service, it has its quirks. Always double-check the terms before booking and consider your specific needs. Got questions or tips about using Auto Europe? Drop them in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns. Safe travels, everyone.